Good morning, everyone. Well, I want to welcome you to my channel. I hope everybody's day is going well. And if you're new to the channel, I would like for you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a video. My name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014, and I have had jobs in the past, but I prefer working for myself rather than working for someone else. So, today's video, we're going to talk about two sites that you guys can earn some cash, some money from. You have to put in the work in order to do that, but, you know, for so far, you guys have stuck with me throughout my videos, and I want to thank you for that. Thank you for all my subscribers. I hope you guys are making money, being able to make the money with the sites I provided you so far. Um, and if you guys are interested, if those of you are interested in taking your income to another level, which is going higher, like if you're interested in earning $100, then stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, so today's video, the first one we talk about is Fusion Cash. It's a get paid to site. You get paid to watch videos, to get paid to click, do tasks. You can do this on your mobile or your phone or your tablet, download apps. You can refer your friend, and there's more. So, for those of you that do not want to spend any money, we have a no credit card needed option. You just click here, scroll down, and do the surveys. Do the ones that you guys can do that do not require you to use your card. Okay. They have tap research on here, which is really great because they offer disqualification points. They have paid to click, daily tasks, paid videos. And I have 3 referrals so far that have signed up. But I'm going to leave this link below in the description if you guys decide you want to sign up with Fusion Cash. And then let me take you over here to the surveys. So these are surveys that you guys can do, and every single one of them has a $sign next to it. That $sign means you get a disqualification bonus, a 1 cent bonus every time you disqualify from a survey. And there's 24 here, so you guys have the ability to earn 24 cents a day. A day. Okay? And let me show you. Your balance has to be at least $25 for you to cash out. At least $25. Okay? And you can get a check, direct deposit, or PayPal. What the heck? What? Okay. Wow. Okay, it looks like my balance, if you're not, you guys see this, I had $2 in here. All of a sudden, it went down to 45 cents. I'm not understanding why. I think it's because I have not been on the site. You guys have to make sure you're active on the site, or they will take off your points. But I had $2 in here. I don't know where it went. I just now saw that, so yeah. But anyways, I brought you here so you guys could see what you have the ability to earn on this site. So, and that is Fusion Cash. So I'm going to take you over to the next site. Okay, here we are on the next site I'm going to talk about today. It's called Prize Rebel. I have not stopped using Prize Rebel. I haven't used it in a while, but I have not stopped using it. I'm a Diamond level member. I finally reached Diamond level. And let me talk about the levels here. So when you first sign up with Prize Rebel, you're going to be at bronze level, and you're not going to have, there's no points. You're going to be able to earn 15% per referral, but there's no automatic prize processing, which means you won't get your payment right away. You have to wait 24 hours, which is the next day, and then you'll get it. Same thing with silver. As a silver member, you'll get 20% per referral, but you will not be able to you won't get your payment until the next day. But if you're gold, platinum, or diamond, you will be able to get your payment within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? So, just want you to know that. And here's they got surveys here. I hear that your survey is Samplicious, and is a good one to start with. Tap Research, a good one. If you guys are just starting out with Prize Rebel, you will be able to do Tap Research. It has disqualification points. I hear Peanut Labs is a good one as well. I don't really do Peanut Labs. Down here they have off ways to earn. They normally had the coupons on here, but I think they took it off. And I made a separate video showing you guys how to clip the coupons and how to, But let me show you my rewards history so I can prove to you that I have. That's weird. Okay, it's not showing. Alright, well, I haven't earned anything for last month, so it's not going to show anything, but let me show you guys the rewards here. You have PayPal here, and as you guys can see, these are all the options. PayPal, 500 points, $5, 1,000 points, 10, 1,500, 15, 2,020 dollars, 5,000 you get $50, and 10,000 you get $100. So that's it for Prize Rebel. And I told you guys I was going to, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I was going to tell you about how you can earn $100 over and over again. Okay, so there's going to be a link. There's going to be 3 links. Okay, the first link is going to be to sign up with Fusion Cash. The second link is going to be to sign up with Prize Rebel. The third link is going to take you to my new YouTube channel, which is called Your Financial Freedom Matters. I'm going to have to change the name a little bit, but right now it's called Your Financial Freedom, but I'm going to change it so it'll say Your Financial Freedom Matters. But there's videos on there that they'll give you details about how you can make $100, okay, by sharing a phone number. And there's another opportunity on there where it's a very, it talks about other things as well, how you can make up to $1,000. So if you're interested in that, I will leave the link below to my new YouTube channel, which is called Your Financial Freedom. All right, I want to take the time to let you know I appreciate you guys, and don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Take care.